started from the bottom. No computer.
Welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a first impressions review video, and I am going to be reviewing a hair straightener, but not any type of hair straightener. This is a hair straightening brush, so you can just plug it in, brush it through your hair, and it's going to straighten it at the same time. I have never tried a product like this before. I've always wanted to, so I was super excited when this company reached out to me. Now, I am probably gonna butcher this company's name, but it's Plavogue? I honestly have no idea. I apologize. I'll put their name somewhere on the screen, and then of course I'll have a bunch of information down in the description box so you guys can check it out. But you can actually find them right on Amazon. They have a few different hair and skincare items. One of them obviously being this hair straightening brush that we are going to try out today. They also have a hair drying brush, like one of those roller brushes. So you can basically use that to give yourself your own blowout right at home. They have a little device that is a pore vacuum, so you can remove blackheads that way, and just other stuff like that. I have the package right here. I haven't even opened it yet, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it in this video, kind of go over the full shipping experience, the packaging, and then of course we'll actually try the product out. And I definitely need it today. I went to bed last night with some like semi-damp hair, and now my hair is just a mess. It's all poofy and it has like these weird kinks in it, as you can see. Yes, I'm very excited to be trying out this hair straightener today. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right on into it. So if you would like to see my unboxing, first impressions review of this hair straightening brush, then just keep on watching. So yes, like I said, the company did reach out to me. This video is not sponsored in any way, but they did offer to send this product to me to try it out. And they also offered a discount code for you guys. So I will also put that discount code on the screen as well as down in the description box, as well as a link to this product. So if you do want to try it out, or if you want to look at some of the other stuff that they have available on their site, then you can definitely do that. Use that discount code and save you guys a little bit of money. But as far as the pricing of this straightener, I thought it was pretty good. It was $44.99, which I feel like is not a bad price at all for this type of product. I feel like usually products like these run more into like the $60 range. So yeah, I feel like overall it's a pretty inexpensive product, and it has 5-star reviews, which is always promising. And yeah, and like I said, their store is available right on Amazon. Their products are eligible for Amazon Prime, so I did get this package in 2 days. So yeah, didn't have any issues actually like making this order and getting it in the mail. That all went well. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so I have the bag open. And then here is the product right here. Very sleek packaging. It is all wrapped, so it's nicely protected. I don't see any dents, tears, faults in the packaging, which is great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this box up a little bit more. Okay, and then there's the name of the company right there. It looks like this box does have like a magnet closure on it, which is really nice. It feels really sturdy, so you could totally keep this box to store your straightener in. And when you open this up, here is what you first look at. We're just gonna kind of take everything out one at a time. So it looks like it comes with a user manual, and it goes into just kind of like a little description of the full straightener, like what each of the buttons do, and then it also goes into exactly how to use it. You do get a little glove as well to use, obviously while you're straightening your hair, to prevent any, you know, burns to your hand. You do have this little packaging, which I'm not sure what this is. Oh my gosh. So it comes with a universal adapter, which is great. Like if you're really into traveling, then you can bring this to other countries. It specifically says Europe on the back of where the plug is. And then it just provides some like little instructions with the adapter. So it does say on here, this item will fit the plugs in Europe, the UK, USA, Japan, China, Australia, Spain. And actually on the back, I just realized that you actually can use it even in the USA, which obviously that's where I live. And it has labeled on here. So obviously this one says Europe, so you can just like flip this out and the plug's all ready to go. And then there's two little things on the top and on the bottom. And it also has a lock and unlock switch right there. So if you're in the USA, Japan, Australia, and I think that is also Thailand, it looks like, you can hit this unlock button and then these kind of shoot out. So just like that. And then you can use that for those countries, and then you just push it back in and switch it back to the lock. And that's how it keeps in. And then it also has the same exact thing on the bottom, which that is for the UK and Spain. Very, very cool that they have this. If you're someone that's into traveling, it's very cool that they provide that for you. I have never seen that in any other type of packaging. Then it looks like they do provide two little clips, which is awesome. I'm so excited that they provide these because I had one clip that looked exactly like this. I'm totally blanking on like what these specific names are, but anyways, I had a clip that was just like this and I literally could not find it this morning. I have no idea where it is, but now I have two. And then the star of the show is the straightener itself. So we're just gonna go ahead and slide this covering off. And here is what the straightener looks like right here. So I absolutely love the colors of it. The white and then the gold accents like around the buttons and around the sides. I think it looks very like sleek and modern. And then you do have the name of the company right there. And yeah, and then just some of the buttons right here, you have the on and off button right here, and then you have a little plus and minus so you can move it to the intensity that you want it. Now this hairbrush does have 5 different intensities. Obviously you go up in intensity, the hotter it's gonna get, and that's made more for thicker hair. I'm just gonna go back on their listing for this product real quick just to provide some more specific information. It says it has an anti-skull design, which is obviously in the comb product, what you're actually gonna be using to run through your hair. So it says it's an anti-scald comb, completely safe to touch. It has a heat-resistant plate, small particles design preventing overheating of contact surfaces, which is always great. And also the comb itself, it says it has an arc-shaped design. So you can probably see it a little bit better there, as you can see the shape of the comb, and it says that particular design helps for fast heat dissipation, so you're kind of gonna get the same look throughout, which is really nice. So it does have the 5 intensities, variety temps to meet your needs. It goes anywhere from 130 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, and it does provide like a little picture like of each temperature and which temperature fits which kind of hair. So for example, for the first setting, the 130 degrees Celsius, it says it's suitable for soft hair. Then it goes to 145 degrees Celsius, it says it's suitable for perm and dyeing or damaged hair, and so on and so forth. The particular cord at the end of the handle here, it does have a 360-degree swivel, so that's going to prevent the cord from, getting bent, leading it to, break and become frayed, things like that. This does have a quick heating design, so it says it heats up in 30 seconds. It says 30s, so I'm assuming that means seconds. And then it also does have a 30-minute automatic shutdown. And just some of the other descriptions that this product says that it can do for your hair is obviously not only straighten it, but it also says it can help with frizz. It can make your hair more smooth and shiny. So yeah, that's just kind of some of the specific descriptions. So yeah, let's go ahead and plug it in so we can give it a try. All right, so I just plugged it in, so now I'm just gonna turn it on. And it already says right here, I think it's gonna be a little hard for you guys to see just because it's such a small screen, but it automatically goes to the 130 degrees Celsius. And then you can just kind of hit these buttons right here, and it just goes up in temperature. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the second setting, which is 145 degrees Celsius, just because I do have my extensions in. just my natural hair is pretty thin and fine, and so I always need the lowest setting whenever it comes to straightening or curling my hair. But since my extensions are in and it's a little bit thicker, we're just gonna go to the second setting and see how that does. And yeah, and while it's warming up, it just has this little icon up at the very top that's blinking. That just means that it's heating up. And I believe it says in the instructions, once that's done blinking, then it's ready to go. Okay, yeah, and it stopped blinking. Okay, yeah, so I can feel a little bit of warmth, but remember it has that anti-scald design, so you can touch it and it will not burn you. So yeah, basically just kind of reading through the instructions on exactly what you're supposed to do. It says to section your hair off into sections. Just run like a quick brush through it. And then it says to kind of hold your hair and tighten it. And then you use the comb, you start off near the root, and then you just kind of glide downwards, similar to just brushing your hair. We're gonna go ahead and do that right now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hold my hair tight exactly like it says in the instructions, just because I do have extensions in and I don't wanna like pull them out, so. Okay, so we have our hair sectioned off, and I also am just gonna throw in some heat protectant in our hair. This one is from Monet, and this is their thermal protectant styling shield. Yeah, I just put a little bit in my hands, and I'm just gonna kind of glide that through our hair here. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. I do have another mirror over here, so if you see me looking over here, that's what I'm looking at. So we have our brush, and I'm just gonna take just a little section at a time, and we'll go ahead and glide it through. It glides through the hair like so nicely. It's almost better than like a regular straightener, because I feel like whenever like I use a regular straightener, I feel like it just kind of gets like almost like caught on my hair, which is probably my own problem because my hair is just like dry and damaged. But then yeah, like when like a regular straightener gets caught and it leaves those like little like heat lines and it just looks awful. This does not do that, which is very nice. I was kind of worried that it would, especially because I do wear extensions. I thought it would literally just like get caught and pull my extensions right out. Yeah, that was just kind of one, or I guess two pass-throughs. I did one kind of on top of the section and then one underneath. And that's how it's looking. And I think it looks really nice. It feels super soft. So let's go ahead and do this section now. That's how it's looking right here. I don't know. I'm pretty excited about this. Like, I don't know why. This is just like blowing my mind right now. It just looks and feels so nice. All right, let's go ahead and work on this side now. All right, so this is what it's looking like now that both sections are done. Absolutely loving it so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and work on the rest of the sections so you can kind of just lay back, relax, enjoy, and then I will come back with the final results as well as my first impression thoughts. obsessed with this thing, seriously. With my extensions, that was really the only problem that I had, just with all of like the brushing through and pulling. I did have to go back and adjust some of my extension clips, but other than that, like the straightener itself works amazingly. Like even with my extensions having to readjust them, I still feel like this straightening brush was a lot easier to work with, to run through my hair compared to just like a regular flat iron straightener. I'm obsessed with this thing. Like I don't have anything bad to say about it. And trust me, I was trying to find something, but like there's nothing bad to say about this straightener. Like it is amazing. Like my mind is blown right now, you guys. So yeah, I would give this thing 5 out of 5 stars. Would totally recommend it. It's just so sleek and beautiful as far as the packaging, all of the other accessories that it comes with, the heat protected glove, the clips, the universal adapter, so you can literally use this thing anywhere. Even the box it comes in is so like sturdy and good quality. All of the different settings that comes on the straightener, again, you get 5 different intensities, so it's perfect for literally any type of hair. It's inexpensive. Like I said, it was only $44.99. I'm just obsessed with it. I don't have anything else to say. Trust me, go pick it up. You will not regret it. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget, make sure to go down in the description box, click on that link, get yourself this hair straightening brush, and don't forget to use my coupon code to save even more money. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video and if you want me to try out any other products from this company, definitely make sure to let me know down in the comments. I would love to do that for you guys. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone!